Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the basics are correct. Turn on location services and confirm the specific app permissions you need. This directly controls whether coordinates are shared. Once done, verify you are signed into iCloud with the same Apple ID on every device so Find My and location sharing match. Make sure your device is running the latest iOS update. Updates resolve many tracking bugs. If you haven't backed up, do that now before deeper changes. Next, focus on background processes and network access, because tracking often fails when apps can't run or communicate. Enable background app refresh for the apps that use location. This lets them update while not active. If behaviors remain inconsistent, reset location and privacy to clear stale permissions, then re-grant access. This fixes permission corruption. Finally, verify Wi-Fi and cellular connections are stable and that low data or low power modes aren't restricting updates, because the system needs network access to report positions. Finish by restarting your device to apply changes and flush temporary errors. If location still misbehaves, sign out of iCloud and sign back in to refresh cloud services. This often restores syncing. Test tracking using the Find My app and, if possible, a second device to confirm accurate location updates. If problems persist after these steps, consider restoring from a known good backup or contact Apple support for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.